In this video, I'll guide you through the basics of using the platform and demonstrate the core features available within Map and Track. We begin by importing the device's location data, which can be provided in KML format. The platform will automatically detect the time zone associated with the GPS coordinates and allows the displayed time zone to be adjusted. Once the map loads, we can see every location the device has traveled to. As we zoom in, the blue icon represents the device's position. In the bottom left of the screen is the journey window. This panel contains filters that allow us to view where the device traveled on specific days, or within a selected start and end date and time range. Below the journey window are the playback controls. These allow us to play, pause, and adjust the playback speed of the device's movements. We can enable follow mode to keep the device centered on the screen as it moves across the map. The playback slider can also be used to quickly move to a specific point in the journey. In the top right corner is the route position panel. This displays the approximate latitude and longitude of the device at a specific date and time during playback. The route position panel also displays the estimated speed calculated between GPS points. In the bottom right controls, we can switch to satellite view or change between route view and points view. Switching to points view will display all GPS points on the map. Let's examine this cluster on the map. By selecting the Gather Intel button in the lower right corner and drawing a zone over the area, we can generate an Intel zone. This will display the days the device entered and exited the area, the associated entry and exit times, and each individual entry and exit event for days where the device entered the area multiple times. Below this information is a graph displaying the total amount of time spent within this area for each day. To gain a better understanding of the environment, we can right-click on the map and open Google Street View to see what the location looks like. Let's explore some of the more advanced analysis features available within the platform. I'll now apply a filter to display where the device traveled on the 3rd of February. By selecting the Analysis button in the lower right corner, we can access a range of advanced analysis views that provide greater insight into the device's movements for that day. The GPS density view highlights the areas where the device recorded the highest concentration of GPS points, helping identify locations where the device spent the most time or frequently returned to. The Movement Analysis view provides an animated overview of the device's journey throughout the day. This displays each stop along the route, along with the associated arrival times. Daily Rhythm Analysis helps identify periods where the device was most actively recording location data. This can be particularly useful for pattern of life analysis and identifying routine behavior. The Narrative Report generates a detailed written summary of the device's movements for the selected day. These analysis views and reports can be exported and printed for investigative or presentation purposes. To add more context, I can use the drawing tools to place annotations directly on the map. This allows me to add markers, flags, circles, and other visual indicators to the map. These annotations make the movement data easier to understand and more visually compelling for briefings, reports, and court presentations. Thank you for watching. Map and Track is continuously evolving, with new features and analysis capabilities regularly being added to assist investigators in understanding and presenting location data more effectively. We hope this overview has helped you get started with the platform and demonstrated how Map and Track can support your investigations.